And we are in the new chapter, and again guys, we are demystifying the process for the installation in the leather seat kits. It's not that difficult. Alright, in this chapter we're going to be talking about the removal. We show you guys this in previous videos right here at Upholstery Technology. We are demystifying the installation process. This is our everyday operation. This is not a studio production. So these are real cars from real customers. And we don't want you to think that this is extremely complicated. But once you see this process, you can assess if you decide to do it yourself or if you hire a professional. These are not to be saved. This side so you can see. Many people use the blade. I'm not fan of the blade. Scissors. And there you have it, one off. And I'm gonna explain once again the reason why we do it that way, so we can save the clips and we just slide these things out and the new cover will clip in. Like and subscribe and start the buying process clicking the link. And if you have a special inquiry, let me know in the text, in the comments. Same process goes for all the other ones, including the front ones and the center console. So I will be seeing you guys in the next chapter, so I can show you how the installation process is gonna go. One more so you can see it again. So here at Upholstery Technology, we are demystifying the installation process and also the removal process. Just watch. If you have any questions about the process, comment in the section of the comments. There. And the same process applies to all the covers. Yeah. Make an inquiry and remember, our kits are available at LeatherTech by Upholstery Technology on our website. Visit leathertech.com, Upholsterytechnology.com, and start the buying process. We can take you by the hand. And we are in the new chapter, and again guys, we are demystifying the process for the installation in the leather seat kits. It's not that difficult. So this one I prefer to do it in the floor, but I want to demonstrate to you how you're gonna get this headrest off. Basically it's just these two covers. Twist them a little bit and you're gonna find a little clip with a circle. under here. You just pry it slightly and it will release one side, and you go to the other side and do exactly the same, and then you have the headrest off. And guys, again, this is simple. We are not sentimental about the covers, we are not keeping them. So we just go with our pieces. In the airbag side, you're gonna cut the reinforcement. Just like that. As you lean back, now the cushion. You have two little clips right here. Just cut the cover. And that was the process for the removal of the covers. Like and subscribe. Make an inquiry. Visit our website, leatherfit.com, or comment if you have a question about the process. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.